Assalamu alaikum beautiful people. Today in this short and important video lecture I will discuss some common mistakes practically on this construction site. Guys, this is commercial building and here this is RCC column which is being designed for 3-story building, 3-story commercial building. Here guys, the size of the column is 12 by 16 inches and they used 6 number of steel rods which dia is 12 millimeter, and guys you can see the lateral tie dia is about 8 millimeter with the spacing of 300 millimeter. Guys, you can see clearly, and the hooks are bent with 90 degree, not with 135 degree. And you can see guys, its lapping length. The lapping lengths are provided at the end of the support, which is wrong, and its lapping length is about 14 inches. So how it can support the structure load? So first of all, I will tell you guys, for 3-story commercial building, you should use minimum you should use 8 number of steel bars, which dia should not be less than 16 millimeter. But normally, if I want to design this, so we should use here 20 millimeter dia of steel bars and minimum 12 number of steel bars for 3 to 4 story building, and its lateral tie dia should be 8 millimeter with the spacing of 150 to 200 millimeter. But guys, you can see this is about 300 millimeter, and also guys, hooks are bent with 90 degree and there isn't any lapping zone. Everything is wrong guys. You can see clearly how it can support the structure load. So they are just wasting the time, wastage of money. Look here guys, this is column size of the column is 12 by 16 inches. So here those are other columns, size are same. So this is inside column and the exterior columns, steel reinforcement are different from this, but because those are ready columns, so therefore we cannot see its steel reinforcement details. But now you know very well that this is the column designed for 3-story commercial building. So how we can fix it? So they should use here, the lapping length should be provided at the L by 3 distance, not at the end of the support, and its distance should not be less than 45T, where D is dia of steel bar. So from that formula they can provide the lapping length 45T, minimum 45T, and for the beam it should be 60D. Look here guys, this is a mega project. So in next video I will also tell you in detail about its beam design. So everything is wrong in this project. Actually guys, on construction site you need a supervisor, so they will keep these things in your mind related in civil engineering, which I'm discussing the front of you in every video. Look here guys. So guys, this is just a short video to tell you about the lapping length, steel reinforcement details, hooks mistakes, its spacing mistakes, steel bars mistakes, etc. So thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.